Experts have voiced concerns over Nigeria's insufficient proactive measures to address the climate crisis, warning that the lack of preparation leaves communities increasingly vulnerable to severe environmental impacts. During the conference, organizers stressed the importance of empowering local communities with the skills and resources needed to effectively respond to and mitigate climate-induced disasters. Participants further called on the government to prioritize investments in disaster preparedness, modern technology, and resilient infrastructure to address escalating climate challenges.
This conference is designed primarily for professionals, individuals, corporate institutions, military, paramilitary institutions, NGOs, ministry departments and agencies to come together to share ideas, to share knowledge, to share insight, and share best practices in addressing climate-related crises and emergencies.
My focus will be on what's advising our organizations on how they put frameworks in place, right, to be able to prepare for climate change risks proactively. That is the most important thing, because many organizations seem to react to issues, to situations, rather than proactively prepare. So putting frameworks in place is very important to guard against any impacts.
The first and the most important thing is for the government to be interested in taking actions to forestall crises and to manage those crises. It's one thing to prepare for the crisis. It's another thing to manage it. In preparing for it, you are strengthening the ability of society to be able to say, we recognize this disaster and we are preparing towards it if and when it does happen. Now, the enabling environment for society to prepare for that need to be prepared by the government. At the same token, in managing that disaster, the government also needs to be involved in giving all the necessary assistance